Now we start with the 1 hour chart. Okay, first of all, I remove all these lines because we don't need it anymore. Okay, second, if we refer to our analysis, in my last video when the price was here, we analyze, and one of the things I must keep mentioning that the possibility that price can drop, because at that time the price was here. Okay, even I mentioned if the prices start to kind of move like this, we can expect one move down. Okay, this is what we're talking about. And now the only thing is whether this is the times to buy or not. Okay, because we mentioned that we are within this move. Okay, and even right now we see from here, we can see based on indicators we having the divergence. Okay, it's losing the momentum. And second, we're putting this one into each other. We finish, and now we will have this one relative to. That's why I was keep mentioning that the possibility that price can drop similar to any of this, we have it. Okay, now we want to see this is the only correction for the next move or not. And beside that, I mentioned one of the option to have entry above this. Even I mentioned is very risky about this possibility. And even if we see, if I put my line there, even we see after the price tag, okay, I mentioned if we see the price is not moving, we take out the trade. Even we have 2 hours times to take out the trade. That means even based on a 5 minute, we can see if we put our line here at that time. Okay, that's why I mentioned if we get if anyone wants to trade, first of all, this trade is very risky, and if anyone wants to trade, if the price tag is not moving even 1 hour, they should take out the trade. Okay, now what's the next? The only thing is whether this is the only correction, we're looking at this correction for the next move, or we're getting to get a deeper correction similar to what we have here. Okay, now how we can trade it all depends on what we have here, what we will get here. If the prices start to move correct here, then we don't need to look for buy. We should look for we should expect the price to drop. Okay, if it drop, how deep it can go, we need to see later what we will get from here. But now the thing is whether we should buy here or not. Okay, for me, if I want to buy here, may I give an example? Similar, if I get any buy setup similar to what I have here, I will look for buy. If the price move a bit higher, give a flag, then we look for buy. But if we get the buy, we consider as a short-term buy because of the possibility the price come here, it give a big correction, and even the maybe we get the buy even the price doesn't break the top, again drop, because maybe consider a bigger correction here. That means first of all, if you want to buy, maybe this one put as example, we need to get the flag. But any buy we see get, if this is not moving really fast, we just try to manage it. Even if I move to 15 minutes, okay, we see what we have here. Okay, sharp move, got correction, next move. Okay, but if I don't think so what we have here will be exactly this is what we're looking for. That means if we get the flag, we can look for buy. Okay, for this one, it's not easy to buy here because of this. The best place to buy was from here. Okay, anyway, this one is just an example, and what I want to see, if we get any flag from here, we trade it. Okay, with the stop loss below this, but we should know that what we're looking for, we want the sharply price move. And if we get the price move, if this is not moving, we start to manage it. As I say, the possibility without breaking top or with the breaking top, the price can drop. But what we're looking for, we want the price to break and continue. And if we see the price is correcting here, we don't take the buy. Okay, may I move to 1 hour chart? All right, this is how we're looking. The only thing is we want to know whether this is the correction, only these three for a continuation, or we will get more complex correction. Okay, and the only thing is we want to see how long we will be within this. Right now, the only thing is we focus on this. Okay, again, any buy, because this is where this is the top for us. Any buy from here, we should know how to manage it because of the possibility. First of all, if there is a reversal, if they dump, and the second things, maybe we get this big correction, whether from here or not, we get a bigger correction. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart and we see what we will get from here. If I see any proper trade setup, I will try to uh, update on YouTube, but right now we just follow. Anyway, if I see, we just follow, we see how we can trade it. Thanks.